I'm not sure it's a single gold medal. No, I think that is part of becoming a scientist, that you actually have to trust your own judgment as well and go for the really long-term goals that no one else has put up. But there are many scientists who I admire, but I think it would be kind of wrong to mention one by name, because then I will always forget the second one.
No, but as you say, it is extremely important, the support that we have got from other scientists, that they have believed in us and given advice when we needed advice. For example, when we started with our labs just half a year after our PhDs, that was a crazy decision. But still, people supported us and said, you can do it. And if you focus on this and that, if you collaborate instead of splitting and trying to build two labs and so on. And
but since the context is Nobel Prizes, we can always mention a few names at least. So Erik Kandel is his work we got exposed to very early, and sort of already in the 1980s was work that we read about and thought was super exciting. And then we met him, and he has sort of followed us all the way. Yeah, another one is Torsten Wiesel, so it's also a relation to Sweden. So his work in the 60s especially was extremely
Jubel and
important.
Wiesel, it was just like the Bible. And the same with Erik Kandel's
defined
book.
our field. So those two are at least persons who have meant a lot, both for our field and for us personally.
Yeah, and also for my PhD, then I studied structural changes after different experiences, like living in an enriched environment. And then it was so fantastic for me to read about the aplysia work of Erik Kandel, because he had shown the same thing in the aplysia when this tiny slug is learning, sea slug is learning. And then I could believe also in my own data, because I had read his work. So on a lot of different occasions, these people have been important. And also when we were master students.